So how good does that DJI wireless mic 2 cut down on the wind noise? What is this 32-bit float thing? And also, what does noise reduction sound like when it's turned on? Well, let's find out, and quickly, because it's Thursday. Okay, so basically on a seaside cliff, you're gonna get a lot of wind noise. Sometimes it's random. This is what happens when you film videos. Like when you actually want there to be wind, there's no wind. But then when you don't, it's not. All right, we'll wait here. All right, this is a better spot. It is ripping with wind. So this is the onboard mics with no wind reduction. And as you can see, like it is really windy on this cliffside. Yeah, you probably can't even hear me right now, but this is what it sounds like with the microphone in comparison. All right, so this is with the wind reduction turned on. And yeah, you can see that it is just ripping with wind here. And wind reduction actually does a decent job. But if you were in a pinch, you could also take like a t-shirt or some cloth and like hold it around the microphones that are on board on the Pocket 3. And that could help break down some of that wind noise if you didn't have this microphone. Compared to the DJI wireless mic with the wind muff, there's like really no comparison because it just cuts out that wind noise like crazy. This thing's awesome. I mean, you don't have to put on your glasses. You could also like, you know, put it like a normal person, like right here. And I guess I don't need to shout either, but I feel like I do because it's so windy out here. So how does the 32-bit float actually work? And by the way, this feature only works with internal recording. But basically it captures a bigger spectrum of sound so that if for some reason you just started shouting into the microphone really loud, and typically like on the recording of this, it'll be distorted, but because I could start shouting into this and I could take the internal recording, I can lower that down and you can actually see those wave files not being distorted. So this is what 32-bit float does. But also it works the other way around. So like if I just decided to start talking really quiet, like way too quiet, and I need to boost that up, like on the internal recording, like you can actually increase the volume of my voice without bringing up any background sounds. Noise reduction, let's go to a different place. Okay, so we're in the bathroom. We're gonna turn the bathroom fan on. So it's gonna be like this, you know, noise in the background. And so noise reduction, hopefully, let's see how good it sounds. When we press the little power button right here, that enables noise reduction. You can see it's yellow now. And do you hear that fan noise anymore? How is that echo in the bathroom? Let's turn that off to compare. This is without noise reduction on. So noise reduction is off now. And let's turn that back on. And yeah, that's basically what you're gonna wanna use it for, because sometimes you get loud noises all around. All right, well, thanks for joining me on another 30-second Thursday. Don't be a stranger to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Mr. Black.